Are you struggling with your literature review? Try this workflow. Here's how to crush your literature review in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Understand the requirement. First, check your assessment brief, word count, structure, make a quick outline. This is an example of the requirement I asked my students to follow for their section 2.3. So, on this stakeholder theories, students need to explain and discuss, and then make sure they can link to the research objectives which is relevant to sustainability. Therefore, for the quick outline for this section, it can be topic sentence, theories, critiques, sustainability link, and then summary. Step 2. Explore with AI. You can ask your Nelson Research Assistant for an overview, key models, critiques, and search terms. This is your starting point. Your Research Assistant tool is at the very top of your Nelson page, and here's the example, and here's the response. Step 3. Save your AI notes. You can upload these AI notes as PDFs. It can be also uploaded, imported as web pages, and then you need to label them clearly for credibility. For your AI note from Research Assistant on Nelson, you will need to save it as PDF because the web link will not work again, does not take you back to your responses, to the AI responses. How to save this as PDF note? You can select all the texts. After you selected the texts, right-click, print as a PDF, and then you can save this on your device, and then upload this file onto Mendeley. In your Mendeley library, you can upload your AI notes by clicking on Add Reference, import the files. Here, quick tip. You better set up your collection folders first based on the name for your modules, assessment, headings, and the keywords. For example, for this one, and here literature review. Step 4. Highlight and annotate your AI notes for checking points. You can highlight the key points in your AI notes, add action notes or checking points with sticky notes. It's also called annotation. You can also color coding your highlights. Step 5. Add academic articles into your Mendeley library. You can use AI tools to find the relevant articles for each bullet point from your quick structure outline. For your Nelson Research Assistant, also already provided those relevant article or book. And here's view more results. If this tool is not working for you, then you can use Google Scholar Labs, which is also an AI tool that you can use to help you find the relevant article. However, there are limited amount of questions that you can ask, and there's daily limits for Google Scholar Lab. Quick tip: if you want to check AI summary or outline, you can use Google Scholar, the PDF reader. This is a web extension plugin. For example, for anything that is available through Google Scholar, after you open the link, you can see here for Google Scholar outline that is generated automatically. This is AI generated text, give you the quick outline for the article. You can import all those relevant articles by using web importer, and after you import the article, you may want to put in detailed information for tags. This will allow you to search articles within your collection folder by using filters. Step 6. Highlight like a robot for key points. Annotate like a box for your action points. Add your selected highlights into your notebook with one click, and this button is your best friend, which will make your whole process much easier. So we can double click on the paper. After we have a highlight, we can click on the highlight and then use this button, Add to Notebook. Automatically, that will be transferred into your notebook, and that with quotation mark to allow you to identify it is a direct quotation. Here's another quick tip. You can add your emoji for each note in the notebook area for quick cues. For example, you can use wave, hand wave for introduction, speaker for explain, exclamation mark for limitation, key for definition. And this emoji, these key points can be developed, can be designed based on your paragraph quick outline. Each quotation is linked to the original paper. When you click on the quotation, that will take you to different pages or different paper to allow you to track the information. Step 7, the final step. You can write your literature review based on your notebook. Everything all here, but make sure you paraphrase and synthesize. You cannot copy and paste. Follow for more study hacks. Bye!